Welcome to my channel QuickTimes Production. In this video I will tell you about how to loop a video or audio in video editing software. Firstly, open your video editing software, then after opening, import the video and audio file. After importing, drag the video and audio files to timeline. After dragging into timeline, lock the bar of video in timeline. Then select the audio file in the timeline and press the keys Ctrl+C and then press keys Ctrl+V. Then drag the copy audio file and leave above the original audio file. After leaving above the original file, you will see 4 options. You have to select crossfade option. You will do like this till you want to loop the file. You have to click on crossfade transition option and then change the duration according to your video. The best duration, which applies to almost all videos and audios, is 2 seconds. After copying, lock the audio bar in timeline. Then unlock the video bar in timeline. Simply select the video file just like we selected audio file, and then press Ctrl+C key, and then press Ctrl+V, and then drag the file like audio file above the original file, and then select crossfade option. You will do like this till the duration target, and then select the crossfade transition and make the duration to 2 seconds. And after doing this, cut the extra part of audio or video. Then check that if there are any mistakes or not. If you find some mistakes in video, change the duration of transition. If you find some mistakes in audio, then change the duration of transition of audio. This method is almost same for every editor with little bit changes. For Filmora video editor, I made a video. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel.